very warm welcome to the Clean Cooking Forum 2017.
We are lucky to have such a dynamic, colorful, opinionated sector with unique and energized mix of entrepreneurs, governments, NGOs, academics, and technologists.
Today is a very important day for me. I am happy to welcome global community, representative of more than 50 countries.
When you come out of the auditorium, you're all gathering together in this big open area so that you can network. I've met people from around the world.
A lot of designs, I've seen a lot of designs from the exhibition.
We learn a lot and share more experience with others. Really happy with this event.